Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Trunovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video we will be trying, and also this is a challenge, we'll be trying it out. This is my first time trying this on my hair. So this is onions and aloe vera hairspray. This is overnight hairspray. This is gonna grow your hair like crazy. Seriously guys, watch to the end of this video so that you can see my results. Okay, so I read that onions helps to grow out your edges. If you are suffering from thin edges, you're suffering from alopecia, if you have bar edges, you know, if your hair refuses to grow, this remedy is going to help you out. And also aloe vera promotes hair growth. I'm also going to write the benefit of this in the video and also down in my description box. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I put a new video, and also like, comment and share. So guys, my channel right now is all about DIYs, motherhood, vlogs. So if this is what you are interested in, stay tuned with us. Bye guys. So guys, I'm cutting my aloe vera. I've already washed it, okay, and I've already soaked the aloe vera. So I'm just going to cut it, then put it into the blender. Then I'm going to cut the onions and put that into the blender too. Then I'll add a little bit of water and for it to blend. If you don't add water, you can just blend it just like that. I added water so that it will be more easy for my blender to blend this paste. Okay, so guys, I'm blending it now to a paste. It has to be in a paste. Then after blending it, I am going to sieve this. I'm using my wig cap. I'm using 2 wig cap right here just to secure it so that I don't have any chaff coming down from this paste. I'm also using a sieve, okay, just to extrally secure this, because you don't want to have chaff running down your hair and you'll be looking so flaky and crazy. Yeah, so we just need the water, okay, the juice for this. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried onions and aloe vera? Let me know, how did it go with your hair growth journey? So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know if you are a family, say hey, family of natural hair, say hey. So this is the chaff I told you guys that we don't need again. Yes, so I'm also double, triple securing this. I'm using a tissue like kitchen roll to do this, just to make sure that I don't have any flaky, any chaff, nothing on this water. Okay, so guys, I'm transferring this into my spray bottle, and we will proceed to applying this on my hair. All right guys, so guys, I'm going to use a cotton pad for this because I don't want this spray to run down my body. So I'm just going to be focusing mostly on my scarf, because we want this to stimulate our hair, okay, to stimulate the blood flow on my hair so that my hair can quickly and fastly grow. So I'm going to be doing this for like 2 weeks alone, and after the 2 weeks I'll show you guys my length check, my front edges, did it grow, did it not grow. Yeah, so I'm not going to wash this, like I'm going to wash it out, just rinse and keep on repeating the same method. I'm not going to use shampoo. This is the last day I'll use shampoo for this challenge. Okay, I hope I don't smell like crazy. All right guys, I hope you're still watching. I cover my hair with a shower cap. This is an important step. So it's time for us to check my length of my hair before we start this challenge. Like, this is day 1. I'm checking the length of my hair. So I have my daughter with me. I'm checking the length of my hair. I'm just trying to comb this out, and we'll check the length of this our natural hair before we start this challenge. So guys, looking at the tape, my hair is measuring 6.5. It's not up to 7, it's measuring 6.5. And I'm going to comb my hair back and leave it the way it was, and this is how my hair will look like till I finish this challenge. So guys, here I'm rinsing it out. I did not use any shampoo to wash out my hair. I'll use shampoo to wash out my hair at the end of this challenge. What I just did was just to rinse it out of my hair, and that was it. So guys, I'm going to be repeating the same thing. This is the 7. I'm going to repeat the same thing also on the 7. All the other days, as I'm going to use the same method I did on day 1. So guys, this is the last day of this challenge. This is day 14. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this spray, like how I apply this spray on my hair. Whew, it's not easy. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the same method I did in day 1, the same method I did throughout. I'm using a cotton pad. I'm going to take the spray. Instead of spraying it directly on my hair, I use the cotton pad to collect it. Then I'll just press it on my hair, like on my scarf, not my hair, my scarf, because this helps to stimulate hair growth. Okay, it helps to stimulate blood circulation. When I do this, guys, my scarf felt so like I felt this cold sensation on my scarf. Like, this is really good. This was my first time trying this, guys, and I saw results, and I will be doing this as a prep, because guys, this actually, if you cannot stand the smell, this is good. You can't do this. You just have to stand the smell, because it has a lot of smell on it because of the onions. You know, the onions is going to ferment, you get. So if you don't want the onions to ferment, you can be doing this every day, like doing a batch every day. But if you want the onion to ferment, then you will have to like do this in a like 1 week and do it another 1 week. That is for better result. Then I wore my wig back and I covered my hair. I'll show you guys the next morning. This is the next morning, me washing my hair and using my shampoo, and my hair felt so alive. I am done with my hair. This is what my hair looks like. Yes, so this is a very good challenge, but I'm not going to be trying this. I'm going to be doing this as my pre-pull on my hair. Yes, so this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels so soft after I finish detangling and everything. And guys, to shock you, this is the hair fallout I had. This is to shock you guys. This is the hair fallout I had. So this is it's good. I recommend you try this. Onions and aloe vera. I recommend you try this. So this is my length check, and this is for the side of my hair. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.